Hey everyone, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best education to help you take your trading to the next level. I'm your host, Desmond, and today we're diving into one of the biggest debates traders have when deciding on a trading strategy. Should you be trading breakouts or reversals? Here's the thing. This question is like asking whether you should use a hammer or a screwdriver, right? They're both powerful tools, right? But they work best in different situations. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. Let's start with breakouts. Imagine the market as a coiled spring, right? And that's been compressed for a while. When it finally releases, it shoots out with tremendous force, right? That's essentially what happens during a breakout. The price breaks through a key level of support or resistance and often continues moving strongly in that direction, right? When you catch a good breakout on something like euro dollar or gold, it can feel like you've jumped on a speeding train. The beauty of breakout trading is its simplicity and momentum. You're basically following the crowd, riding the wave of market enthusiasm, right? And here's what the data shows us. Volume is absolutely critical. Think of volume as the fuel for your breakout vehicle. Without enough fuel, that breakout is going to stall and reverse right into your stop loss. But here's where it gets tricky. False breakouts are everywhere. I've seen traders get caught in what we call liquidity traps, where the market briefly pierces a level just to sweep up stop losses before reversing. It's like the market is playing a cruel joke on eager breakout traders. Now, let's flip the script and talk about reversals. If breakouts are about jumping on the train, reversals are about spotting when that train is about to change direction. You're looking for exhaustion, when buyers or sellers have pushed too hard and run out of steam. The advantage here, you can often get in at the absolute best prices, right? When you nail a reversal on something like dollar CAD right at the top, your risk to reward ratio can be phenomenal. You're essentially buying when everyone's selling or selling when everyone's buying, right? It takes guts, but the payoff can be worth it, right? But reversals come with their own challenges. You're fighting the current trend, which psychologically can be tough, and timing is everything. Get in too early and you're catching a falling knife. Wait too long and you've missed the move. Here's my hot take, and this might surprise you. The best traders I know don't choose between breakouts and reversals. They adapt based on market conditions. In strongly trending markets with clear momentum, breakouts often work beautifully. But when markets are overextended or showing signs of exhaustion, that's when reversal strategies shine. Let me give you a practical example. Say gold has been rallying hard for weeks, pushing to new highs, right? A pure breakout trader keeps buying each new high, right? But if you notice declining volume, RSI divergence, or a key resistance level from the monthly chart, a reversal setup might be the smarter play. The real secret? Focus on confirmation. Whether you're trading breakouts or reversals, never rely on price alone. Look for volume confirmation on breakouts. You want to see that surge of participation. For reversals, watch for divergences in momentum indicators or clear rejection candles at key levels. And here's something most educators won't tell you. Your personality matters. If you're someone who likes certainty and following established trends, breakouts might suit you better. If you enjoy being contrarian and have strong emotional discipline, reversals could be your edge. My advice? Master one approach first. Start with breakouts if you're newer to trading. They're generally easier to spot and psychologically more comfortable. Once you're consistently profitable, then explore reversal strategies to add another weapon to your arsenal. Well, that's it from me for today's podcast. I hope you found it useful in understanding whether to trade breakouts or reversals. For more such amazing educational content, be sure to subscribe to our podcast here at IronFX.